Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Kent model SGS-1020AHD hydraulic surface grinder. It's a 10 by 20 inch 3-axis hydraulic, new in 2007. It's all original paint. You can see the controls here. The machine was barely used. Was not used in a regular machine shop. This was in a sheet metal shop, and they only use it to sharpen the large dies for their turret punch. They had a punch and die grinder, but their largest dies for the Armada did not fit in their smaller grinder, so they bought this. But as you can see, they didn't do a whole lot of grinding. There's your hydraulic unit, currently wired for low voltage 3-phase. All original paint. It's very clean. It has a permanent magnet fine pole chuck with a little grinding vise on it. Here's your original squeegee for cleaning the magnet. And here's your diamond dresser. There's your coolant tank on the side. The only thing we threw out were the hoses because they were just cracking and junk. But you just need to put a drain hose on there. But aside from that, very clean unit. There's your model tag. New in June of '07. Has over-the-wheel dresser on it. And heck, even the work light works. So we'll run the machine for you now. Wheel on first. Acrylics on. Let's see, right now, okay, we have power up and down on the spindle. Let's see how this works. I think we do this with it off. Oh, there we go. There's your power up and down on the spindle, so you don't have to manually crank it. Then we can go to, okay, let's see what feed we're going to do now. We're going to do that one's on, Crossfeed. I forget how to use this thing already. There we go. So now it's down feeding. Every time the table goes back and forth, it down feeds. You can set your down feed rate on this dial. That slows it down. That speeds it up. Let's see that. Now let's see this. How we do the. There we go. Now we do the crossfeed. We have it set for automatic crossfeed now. I set the rate real high so you can see it. I can slow it down. Now we're back to automatic down. This is your speed. Right there. Machine has an automatic oiler on it, so you don't have to worry about doing that manually. It's about as clean as they get in a surface grinder. It's not a clean process, so the machines never stay clean, but this machine just is as you see it. All original paint and super clean. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your toolroom and fabricating needs.